Hey there! So in my previous video that you watched, I explained, and if you've not yet watched the previous video, please make sure to check it out. So in my previous video, I explained how to do this. So this is my hair growth serum. If you follow this recipe closely, you will have like the best recipe ever for cloves plus rosemary water. So I made a whole video on how to do this. And when you have this water ready, okay, let me open it up. The scent is amazing. It smells like rosemary and cloves at the same time. Okay, so when you have this cloves and rosemary water, what you want to do is put it in a spray bottle. Sorry, my spray bottle is not transparent like the ones that most people use. You want to put it in a spray bottle and you will spray it over your hair twice per day. So you have to do it in the morning before you go out, and you have to do it in the evening, like before you go to bed. So you put it in the spray bottle, you spray it, and it's ideal when you have a hairstyle like this one, like twist. You will spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, and you do like this. You massage it into your hair, uh, into your scalp. Sorry, you massage it into your scalp for it to penetrate, and you also like do this on your hair for it to penetrate like the hair strands, and you do this every single day, and you will see your hair grow like crazy. So I'm starting this hair growth challenge, and the one is going to be like Monday the 15th the 15th of April 2024. So I'm starting this hair growth challenge, and it's going to be a 30 days hair growth challenge, but we're gonna break it down like into 7 days and then give a report for every day. So I hope that it will encourage you. If you want to hop in on this challenge, you can directly do it. You can go back to my previous videos in which I show you how to make this like hair growth serum or this hair growth tea with rosemary and cloves. Like the whole recipe is here on my YouTube channel, and it's also on my TikTok page. Yeah, I think it's also on my TikTok page. And when you do it, like you just have to make sure that you put it in your spray bottle. You keep it in the fridge, of course, and you put in the spray bottle just the amount that you're going to use for the day, and you spray it all over your hair, and you massage it into your scalp twice per day. So we're starting the challenge on the 15th of April 2024. Okay, so please make sure to hop in. Also invite your friends to join this challenge. You're gonna see like major hair growth. Honestly, you're gonna love this. So yeah, I'm so excited, and please make sure to subscribe so that you will receive updates. Make sure to subscribe so that you receive updates, because I'm planning to actually make a video every single day to show you how I spray. Yeah, I'll do the video in the morning or do it in the evening just to give you updates on how things are going, and at the end of the week I'll give a general update for the week. So and at the end, of course, of the 30 days challenge, by God's grace, I'm gonna give you a whole update. So for the length check, I think we can do this tomorrow, Monday. The length check, so that you see like where my length is, well, the length of my hair is, and then I'll start spraying like every day, and then we will see at the end of the week where we are. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you want to jump into and join this challenge, please subscribe. And do not forget to share this with any other person whom you know wants to grow your hair with a quick and easy method and simple method. It's really simple to do. You just spray your hair twice per day. This is not that difficult. So thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you soon. Bye bye.